A showdown of intellect, wit, and demeanor. What did voters get out of the vice presidential debate?
Mas nakilala ko yung each candidate.
I was so nervous just watching the way they were attacking each other.
The catfight between Senator Cayetano and Senator Marcos was really entertaining.
Kanina pa si Senator Alan nang-iimbento ng kung ano-ano.
Isoli mo ang pera sa tao.
But not everyone enjoyed the show.
Batuhan ng putik eh. It could have been more productive.
When it comes to election season, mudslinging seems to be the name of the game. Ahead of the debate, the candidates' camps say excitement and anticipation are definitely in the air, as well as anxiety.
Of course, I'm nervous. It's my first time to be part of anything so serious.
Heart sentiments after the debate?
It was stressful, but I like the way Cheese handled it. I think he did really well.
These candidates' children rate their parents' performances.
Ako, I would say perfect 10. I think hinihintay ko nga parang hindi niya nabanggit even yung dad ko kahit once. So parang tingin ko, pinapakita niya na she's not just the widow of Jesse, marami pa siyang pwede gawin. Kalmadong-kalmado siya. Forever naman siyang class act.
Nakaw yun sa taong bayan.
The most punches of the evening were thrown at Senator Bongbong Marcos.
He was in the hot seat, but you know what? The more he spoke, the more he had to say, the more people listened. I think he did very well.
As for the one who threw the most punches,
I'll give him a 10. He prepared well.
Beyond the politics, drama, and mudslinging, what matters most is what voters take away from the debate.
Tingin ko nga mas magaling yung mga VP kaysa presidents, no? I really enjoyed the show.
At least nakapili kami.
Marami revelations na we didn't know.
Testing the candidates' mettle, engaging audiences, and helping make informed decisions. Now that's something to cheer and shout about.